There are a few definitions of the term citizenship. In this video, we're going to talk about two of those definitions. One is the legal definition, the status of having citizenship. A person has citizenship as a member of a state, which gives them rights, responsibilities, and privileges. A citizen of the United States is entitled to the protections granted in the Constitution and Bill of Rights, like freedom of speech. There are two paths to citizenship. People are either born citizens because their parents were citizens or because they were born on U.S. soil, or they can become naturalized citizens. We'll talk more in other videos about the process to become a citizen, but for now, just know that naturalization is the legal process by which a foreign citizen or national can become a U.S. citizen. The other definition of citizenship I want to talk about here is not just the legal status of having citizenship, but the practice of active citizenship. You practice good citizenship by being an informed and active member of a political community. So what does it mean to be a good citizen? There are a few aspects of good citizenship. First, a good citizen is empowered. That means that they exercise their rights and believe that they can make a difference by doing so. They don't say, nah, I'm not going to do anything. It wouldn't make a difference anyway. A good citizen is also community-minded. They feel a sense of responsibility for their communities, and they want to help them be the best that they can be. They're also inclusive. And by that, I mean that they want to do what's best for everyone in their community, not just what would be most beneficial to themselves. They include multiple viewpoints and stand up for the rights of others. And lastly, a good citizen is informed. They know how the government works, they're up to date on the problems that the government is facing, and the decisions that it's making. Good citizens are invaluable to democracy, because democracy works best when citizens are knowledgeable and active in political debate.